Welcome to Learning Skills. In this video you will learn a quick and step-by-step guide about File tab in MS Word. This tab is your control center for managing documents. Let's start. How to check your MS Word document info. Click on File in the top left corner. You will see all the information on the top. How do you open a new document in MS Word while still working? Click on File tab. Select New from the menu. Choose Blank Document or select a template. A new document will open in a new window. You can also use the keyboard shortcut key to open a new document. Press Ctrl+N on your keyboard. A new blank document will open in a separate window. How to open an already saved document in Microsoft Word. Click on File in the top left corner. Select Open. Choose Browse and locate the document on your computer. You can also use the keyboard shortcut key. Press Ctrl+O on your keyboard. How to save documents in MS Word. Click on File in the top left corner. Select Save As for new documents. Choose a location, OneDrive, this PC, or a specific folder. Enter a file name. Select File Format and save. Also use shortcut keys. Press Ctrl+S to save changes to an already saved document. Press Ctrl+Shift+S to open the Save As dialog box for a new save location or file name. How to print MS Word documents. Click on File in the top left corner. Select Print. Choose your printer from the list. Set the number of copies you want to print. Adjust settings. Click Print. You can also use the keyboard shortcut key. Press Ctrl+P to open the print menu. Select your printer and adjust settings. How to share your document in MS Word. Go to the File tab and select Share. You can send your document in different ways. How to export your document in MS Word. Click on File. Select Export. Select Create PDF/XPS document. Click Create PDF/XPS. Choose a location to save the file. Click Publish. How to close your MS Word documents. Click on File in the top left corner. Select Close. If the document has unsaved changes, Word will prompt you to save or discard the changes. You can also do it. Click the X, Close, button in the top right corner of the Word window. Right-click the Word icon on the taskbar. Click Close Window to close the current document. Click Close All Windows to exit Word completely. How to check MS Word account info. Click on File in the top left corner. Select Account from the left menu. Here, you can see. You can also check via office.com. Go to office.com. Sign in with your Microsoft account. Click on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Select My Account. Open Advanced Options in MS Word. Click on File. Select Options from the left menu. The Word Options window will open. Here, you can customize all the settings.